Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Sonata maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here, the menu button, up, down, and OK for enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And fun fact, this car is a little tricky. The reason why is because they have a function that you can turn off your service warning lights completely. That way you don't have a warning lights every time you need to change oil, which I think is a very bad idea. So go ahead and press the menu button. Let me get a little close. Actually, let me focus. I mean zoom in. Okay, now go ahead and press the menu button, and you will get here. And now scroll down. Oh, I can't do it with the. Okay, go close the door. Okay, sorry guys. And go ahead and scroll down to service interval. Okay on it. And as you can see, is the box is unchecked. That means they turn off the system. And you cannot scroll down to reset. So you're gonna have to press OK to check the box. Okay, now the system is turned on. So go ahead and and also that's how you turn off and on the service reset system. So go down to reset, press OK on that, and then press OK on yes, and the service light has been reset. But for those of you that want to turn off that system, simply just click go up to enable service interval and click OK on it, and that unit will be turned off. That program will be turned off. And that's it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.